Well, my garden bed arrived from Amazon. So let's open it up, see what's in it, set it up, and see how it looks. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. All right, this is the 4-foot by 2-foot raised garden bed. It comes with the hardware, instructions, sharp edges, use extreme caution. So let me put it together and see how it looks. Okay, it's set up. It was easy to assemble, but just still be careful because of the sharp edges. I'm going to go ahead and fill up with cardboard and prep this. Alright, I added a weed preventer, which is cardboard. I reused that Amazon box and tore it up, put it in here. Now I'm going to fill up this space because of the high cost of soil. I am going to add some sticks and leaves, and then I'll add topsoil on top. Here goes the sticks that I added. But when it comes to your garden, do what works best for you. Other YouTubers have used logs that were larger than this, but I'm all right using this. So every method's different, but they all get the same results. All right, I filled up the space to save my money on the soil, so I don't have to go buy it from the store. This is a 4-foot by 2-foot raised garden bed. It will not decay like wood. If you're interested, click in the link in the description box below. They come in a variety of sizes. All I have to do now is just add my soil on top, my worm castings, wet it down, plant my seeds, and I'll be good to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. If you know anyone else that might be interested in gardening, share this video. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.